This is called a Eucalyptus hemistoma, or a scribbly gum tree. And these little squiggles on the tree are caused by a moth called a scribbly moth, or Ogomagraptor scribbula. He sounds like a Scottish bagpipe player. Now he's like a little larvae, and he's like a little Pac-Man. And he zigzags his way down, eating through the sap of the tree, getting bigger and bigger. Once he's about the size of Santa Claus, he pupates and turns into a moth, and he flies off, and the whole cycle is repeated again. So sometimes we call this a graffiti tree, but this is the only kind of graffiti you want to see in our trees out here. Unfortunately, some people come out here and they carve their names on the tree trunk and on the rocks, and there's cigarette butts and Coca-Cola cans out here. So the rule of the bush is just take photographs and leave only footprints.